Larry Levine, in his book, Genetic Engineering, a Reference Handbook, the past few decades have been known by the scientific community as a DNA revolution. Gene editing is a new technology that offers endless possibilities and can be used to alter anything that contains DNA. Through studying recent discoveries and presently occurring experiments, we can better understand this technology and how it affects us today. Now, this is really great for college students to learn because after all, we are the next generation that will have to deal and make decisions regarding gene editing. I myself have read several articles and written several papers regarding this technology. So today, I'll be explaining to you what this technology is, what it does, and how it affects us. First, let's take a look at what this technology is. CRISPR-Cas9 is a gene editing technology that stands for clustered, regularly interspaced, short, panoramic repeats. According to Time magazine, the CRISPR-Cas9 technology can be described as a microscopic pair of scissors that can cut out any specific section of DNA. Jennifer Doudna, a scientist at the University of California, is the creator of this technology. Through many stages of trial and error, she created this technology and it's bringing light to the scientific community. So, now that we know a little bit about this technology, let's move on to what it does and how we see it in the world today. In an article called DNA Revolution in National Geographic magazine, genetic engineering is used all around us in the world today, in our food, in our pets, and even in our medicine. According to expert Juan Enriquez during a TED Talk, even simple household foods like broccoli, kale, cauliflower are results of genetic engineering by crossbreeding a mustard seed. Flowers are an example of this. The flowers that you see on your table today have been genetically modified to last longer, to be a certain color, to be a certain size, all of that. Dogs have also been genetically modified from wolves, and these dogs have been genetically modified today to be a certain size, to be a certain color, to acquire certain traits. Even vaccines have been genetically modified so that we can be healthy and more people can survive. Now that we know a little bit about what it is, what it does, let's talk about the future possibilities of genetic engineering. Scientists hope that in the future, CRISPR-Cas9 will be able to target diseased sections of DNA and prevent genetically passed down illnesses. Diseases like blindness, AIDS, melanoma, and the list goes on and on and on. The possibilities of this new technology are absolutely endless. But while that's great, the scientific community is most excited for something called designer humans. They hope that this technology will be able to target sections of DNA that are responsible for traits in us, like how tall we are, what color of hair we have, our eye color, how athletic we are, how smart we are, and the list goes on and on and on. These designer humans just offer endless possibilities. However, there's a plethora of logistical and ethical questions when faced. Ethical questions like where is the line drawn on what is and what is okay to edit. Gene editing is technology that has affected us past, present, and will continue to affect us in the future. I hope this speech has informed you on what the gene technology is, what it does, and the future possibilities. As the next generation, we must all do our best to understand this technology, the risks involved, so that we can make our own educated decisions when faced. Jennifer Doudna says, genome-engineered plants and animals are happening right now, and this puts in front of us all a huge responsibility to carefully consider both the unintended as well as the intended consequences of this scientific breakthrough. Thank you.